Was at the side of my tree.
Prime Day. Some piano polish would be good. And some hair pomade. Maybe some socks. I do need a new blender.
Did somebody say blender?
When's Prime Day?
Prime Day is the 12th and 13th of July. Would you like me to add a canoe to your shopping list?